Hi, my name is Garrett Colley. I'm the Director of Studio Operations. What that means is that I follow projects as they go through the studio. I make sure we have all the correct information coming through our road crews and working with them and bringing in materials and keeping the project moving smoothly and evenly through the studio. One of the first steps in the restoration process, our crews will arrive on site and remove the windows from your building. They'll do this by first photographing and documenting the original condition of the windows, and then getting any measurements and notes and specialty information we need to reinstall them when the process is completed. The next step in the process is to make rubbings. We make a rubbing of each panel. This allows us to get any information we need about the panel as far as the lead sizes and profiles, measurements of the original panel, and any broken, cracked, or missing pieces of glass. From there, the panels move into disassembly. Each window is taken apart underwater, the lead is removed from the glass, and then each individual piece of glass is cleaned. The next step in the process is to replace any missing, cracked, or broken glass. If a piece is broken, we have a historic preservation approved adhesive that has the same translucent quality as glass, and we can actually glue broken glass back together. If it's deemed necessary by our technicians, we may use a thin lead line to separate the cracked glass, or if necessary, we will replace a piece of glass. Then the window moves into glazing. That's the act of rebuilding the window with new lead caming surrounding each individual piece of glass. The lead came is cut to length and fit in between each piece of glass until it makes up a framework of a window, very similar to weaving a basket. We use multiple profiles of lead in this process depending on the original condition of the window and the profiles used. Once the window is finished, we will go through and solder each of the individual lead joints together. Then the window moves into cementing. That's a process where we're filling the voids between the lead and the glass with a putty mixture, similar to grouting tile. So it helps to stiffen the panels, and it adds a patina to the lead, darkening it so it visually recedes in the light. Now the windows move into bracing. That's where we add reinforcement bracing, which is either soldered directly to the window or a wire tie is added, which will be wrapped around a round brace bar when the windows are installed on site. This helps to support the window and add strength. Now that the window is complete, we are going to photograph it, do a final review, then put it back into its crate and ship it back to you to be enjoyed for generations.